Hey guys, it's Holly. Welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I do a lot of cooking, travel, homeschooling, and motherhood videos. So if you enjoy any of those things, I really hope that you would subscribe and stay tuned. Okay, I am talking again about universal yums. I did a video last month where I talked about how we just got a subscription to Universal Yums. So every month in 2022, we will be getting a box from them. And every month will be a different country. Now, the box we got in December was different because that was the holiday edition. And the holiday edition had sweets and treats from many different countries. And it focused more on different Christmas traditions from that country. But now every box we receive will only have one country. And I mentioned before that I wanted to incorporate this into my kids' education. So what I'm gonna do is whatever country we end up with, we are gonna dig into. Whatever country they send us, we are going to watch videos on, read books about, and any other thing we can think of to learn more about that country. So very excited about our second box, and when we found out what country we were doing, come with me right now as I share with you what country we got and all the fun sweets and treats we got inside. All right, unboxing for the first time, and we got the country of Poland. Poland is gonna be a fun country to explore and a lot of great snacks. Here is our booklet and a sticker, and our snacks are some buttery potato chips, some crispy potato snacks, iced gingerbread cookie with a mint flavor, cheese and onion pretzel sticks, a yummy looking candy bar, gingerbread sticks dipped in chocolate, a mystery bag, some more dark chocolate with yummy stuff inside, chocolate covered gingerbread cookies, another candy bar. Well, here is everything inside, but before I reveal it to my older kids, we're gonna each take a guess at what country we think it is.
Norway. Mine is France. Mine is Germany.
And it is Poland. Before we get into the snacks, we are going to find Poland on the globe. First thing we sampled is the buttery potato chips.
It tastes really different. Well, it's like a potato chip, but a little different.
Yeah, it's like a buttery potato chip. All right, do you like that?
The other ones were in English.
Next, we are going to try the iced gingerbread mint flavor. Go ahead, each of you take one for now.
I can really taste that mint.
Yeah?
This really tastes like M&M.
Chewy.
Yeah.
I like that. I thought they were going to be crunchy like a cracker, but they're chewy. Now let's see what's inside this mysterious yum bag. You may be wondering, what is this? That is a good question, as we were searching the world for the best yums to bring you this month. A few of our finds were big on crazy flavors, but very small in size. The idea of not giving you this petite yums brought a tear to our eyes. So we packaged them up and put them inside this magical, mysterious yum bag. Yum bags, we're gonna just dump them out and see. Oh, all kinds of different stuff. Okay, so the milk fudge, go ahead and open them up. All right, so what did you think of the milk fudge?
I kind of like it.
It's good.
It's kind of like soft and chewy.
Yeah, it tastes like the that fudge that we got from England in the holiday box, right?
I thought it would be hard, but it's actually...
It's nice and chewy. Do you like it?
Yes, it was very, very good.
We're gonna save these little candies for later. Today we are going to try these pretzel sticks with a cheese and onion flavor. We're gonna try yet another gingerbread thing here. This is a chocolate covered gingerbread cookie. And then this dark chocolate. First, we'll try the pretzel sticks. Everyone go ahead and get one out.
Whoa. It tastes like they have a lot of cheese in them. They taste long and salty.
I could definitely taste the onion.
And the cheese.
That's good. I like having a flavored
They taste
pretzel.
long and salty.
You can have like sword fights with them. Now for the gingerbread cookie. So we're gonna try and split this so we can all give it a try. Actually was soft when I cut it up. That tastes like the other ones we had with the mint flavor, right? But just with some chocolate on the outside. How's it? Yummy. And then last is this
dark chocolate.
Just it tastes like there's frosting in it.
A little bit of like a raspberry.
I can taste. Oh yeah, raspberry.
It is. It's like a raspberry flavor. It's like eating a cheesecake. It's like a chocolate cheesecake. Today we're gonna try Munch gingerbread sticks, and this chocolate here looks like a candy bar. All right, let's all try a Munch. Let me see what they look like. Ooh, it's like a ghost. Here
They
goes.
taste kind of soft, and they also taste like a potato chip. The veggie straws.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, like those veggie chips we get a lot. All right, now we're gonna try these gingerbread sticks in chocolate.
They look like pretzels. They taste like gingerbread. They taste like Nutella. They look like the pretzel.
Nutella?
Where you dip a pretzel inside and...
It is a good combination. I like them. And then last we're going to try this candy bar here. All right, we divided it up here.
It tastes like a s'more.
Yeah?
When I started cutting it, I just thought it would be kind of hard. Yeah, me too.
It has a unique flavor to it.
Yeah.
Kind of different. Okay, last of the pull-in food, we are going to try this candy bar here, and then we're going to try these little candies as well. So this candy bar here has like a peanut and then the crisp inside. All right, so here it is all cut up. I was just going to show what it looks like inside. Okay, you can try that.
It has a crisp of like a waffle inside.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like Kit Kat. Kit Kat, it has a crisp of it.
Last we were trying these candies. So go ahead and give it a try.
I'm going to try this.
We have lemon
I'm going to try this one.
and peach. You can only have one kind because we only have two of each. We can't cut these in half, right? How's that taste?
Tastes like something I've tasted before, like a peachy candy, but I can't remember.
What does it taste like to you?
Lemon.
Lemon.
I'll give it thumbs up.
Did it just taste like a hard candy?
With flavor in it. Yeah, flavor in it.
What would you say was your favorite out of all of the pull-in food?
The ice mint, gingerbread, I like the chips. I like the gingerbread sticks.
The literature that came in our pull-in box was first off a map of Poland here, and it just shows what countries it borders, what body of water it is next to, and just some highlights that are in that country. When you flip the map over, there is the area for keeping your score of all the snacks. There's also a scavenger hunt. The booklet is full of all kinds of cool stuff with exploring Poland, just different things to read about. There is also a recipe for pierogies. I hope I'm saying that right. There is the trivia, and it is all trivia about Poland. We learned so much when we did this. Then, of course, you're going to have your pages explaining all the different snacks, the nutrition facts, and the answers to all the games and quizzes in here. There's a multiple choice quiz. There is a Polish people poem puzzle, a day in the life, visit museums in Warsaw, another recipe for mulled wine, and a Polish saying quiz you can do as well. Well, that was our pull-in box. Thanks for coming along with us as we explored Poland. It was a lot of fun and really yummy. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and I hope you have a great day.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.